Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some humid and warm conditions across the region this morning. Already seeing our heat index near 90 degrees. We're going to see that heat index today peak during the late morning, the early afternoon hours, anywhere from about 100 to possibly as high as 108 degrees, it appears right now. Also see a slight chance of a pop-up thunderstorm today with this heat and humidity, as we do have a front washing out of the area, giving us a little bit of forcing across the region, and in combination with some sea breeze boundaries moving in off the ocean today, could see a pop-up shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have the stationary boundary currently washing out across the area, across the Delaware Peninsula, extending down the southeast states. You can see Hurricane Beryl here making landfall in southeast Texas. As we move into today, this front is going to kind of wash out over the area, as I mentioned, and that's going to give us a possibility of a shower or thunderstorm popping up. It looks like those best chances will be in the center of the peninsula, not along the coastline today. So taking a look at our current observation, a broken decks at 75, 9,000, 11,000, 25,000 feet. Winds are light out of the northwest at 4 knots, temperature 83 degrees, and relative humidity at 82%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a lot of upper level cloudiness across the region this morning, as well as the mid-level cloudiness as I reported in the current observation. We'll see this cloud cover across the region and out of the area for today. Seeing more sunshine for the late morning and the afternoon hours today, with this cirrus cloudiness should start to thin out a bit across the region for the afternoon hours, as well as the mid-level cloudiness. So taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see here once we move into the afternoon hours, continue to see some cloud cover around the region, not as thick as this morning. The HRRR does start popping up some showers around 2 to 4 o'clock this afternoon. Not showing this across the peninsula, but other models are indicating that we could have some showers and thunderstorms moving through and popping up along the center of the peninsula this afternoon, possibly extending down to Wallops, and we'll cap those chances around 20% for this afternoon. Moving the evening hours, a slight chance, very slight chance of seeing a lingering shower across the region, but most likely activity will be over by 8 p.m. or 20 local this evening. And taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high today expected around 92 degrees, 92 degrees with those light winds out of the east this afternoon should allow for those temperatures to jump up into the lower 90s before we see that southeasterly wind, the sea breeze come on shore, cooling us back down the mid 80s. As I mentioned, we'll see those heat indices over 100 degrees today. We'll see those dew points in the upper 70s with those temperatures in the lower 90s. That'll easily see those heat indices over 100 degrees today. Our low tonight around 76 degrees. We'll see a 20% chance of a thunderstorm between 12 and 20 local today, with those chances of pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Other than that, we'll see light winds in general, more humid conditions, hot and humid conditions for our Tuesday, starting out by 81 degrees by 8 local tomorrow morning. Our 24-hour terminal forecast should see VFR conditions unless we do have that shower thunderstorm overhead today, and we'll have a slight chance of some reduced visibilities overnight with some patchy fog, most likely. Won't see anything below 4 nautical miles with our visibility across the region, just a mist possible. Tuesday morning, we'll see anywhere from partly to mostly sunny skies across the region, with just in general some more cirrus cloudiness across the area. And looking at Tuesday into Wednesday, Tuesday, partly cloudy, hot and humid, very slight chance of a pop-up shower thunderstorm, high of 89 degrees. Heat indices will be around 100 to 105 degrees by late morning into the early afternoon hours on Tuesday. Tuesday night, partly cloudy, humid, slight chance of patchy fog, low of 77. And for Wednesday, partly cloudy, humid, breezy, very slight chance of a pop-up thunderstorm. We'll see a high of 87 degrees. See some slightly breezy winds off the water on Wednesday. That's going to keep our highs a little bit lower in the mid 80s to upper 80s. And we'll see the heat indices approaching 100 degrees for Wednesday afternoon. And we'll see those winds gusting around 25 knots on Wednesday, so could see a decent chance of seeing a wind advisory for our Wednesday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock in the next 7 days.